Hey guys, it's Champ here, and I have my first tutorial here on Cheat Engine. So let's get right into it. And first, what you want to do is go to www.google.com, and when you get there, type in Cheat Engine 5.6 download, and then click on the first one. Okay, click on the first one, and then click. This is what it should look like, and just click that, and then save it. Just save it, and then just wait for it to finish downloading, and yeah, I'll just go silent for a moment right there. So long I could take a nap. Ah. And sorry if I'm speaking so low or something. It's the Black House mic. Trust me, it's not me. I'm like literally screaming right now just to get some high sound. But I'm gonna be using it for a while, so um yeah. Just click run and just wait for this to pop up. Yeah, that, and then just accept it, and then go. I'm not even gonna say what to do because it's pretty obvious. And then just wait. Doesn't take that long to do this. And then click next, and then click next, and then there it is. There it is. And I did 5.6 and it gave me 6.1. It's just trying to give me the new version, I guess. And yeah, just click whatever you want to use or something to cheat on or something. So yeah, this is about wrapping up. I hope you enjoyed it, and like always, subscribe or rate or